If you want to create YouTube titles that actually get clicks, ChatGPT can help you do it fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate YouTube titles with ChatGPT step by step, so you can turn one video idea into multiple strong title options in just a few minutes. We'll look at how to give ChatGPT the right topic, how to ask for different title styles, how to set length limits so your titles don't get cut off, and how to refine the results until you find the best one. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the message box and type in the topic of your video. Be as clear as possible here. For example, instead of just saying baking, you could say how to bake sourdough bread at home or how to grow a YouTube channel faster. The more specific your topic is, the better the title ideas ChatGPT can give you. Next, tell ChatGPT what style of title you want. This is where a lot of people miss out on better results. You can ask for clickbait style titles, educational titles, listicle titles, or curiosity-based titles depending on the type of video you're making. For example, you could say, give me 10 YouTube titles in an educational style, or give me 10 attention-grabbing titles with curiosity. This helps ChatGPT understand the tone you want instead of giving you something generic. After that, add a length constraint. This is really important because YouTube titles can get cut off, especially on mobile. A good rule is to ask ChatGPT to keep the titles under 60 characters if possible. You can simply type something like, keep all titles under 60 characters and make them easy to read. That one instruction can make a huge difference in the quality and usability of the results. Now press Enter and let ChatGPT generate your title ideas. It usually helps to ask for 5 to 10 options at once so you have a strong list to choose from. Don't just pick the first one automatically. Read through all of them and look for the ones that are clear, interesting, and match to your audience. A good title should be easy to understand, create curiosity, and make the viewer want to click without feeling misleading. If the first batch of results is too plain, you can refine them right away. Just go back into the message box and ask ChatGPT to make them more emotional, more punchy, or more curiosity-driven. You can also ask it to use a curiosity gap style, which means the title hints at something useful without giving everything away. For example, instead of a very basic title, ChatGPT can give you something that feels more compelling and engaging. Another useful tip is to ask ChatGPT to generate titles for different audiences. You could request beginner-friendly versions, advanced versions, or titles aimed at creators, business owners, students, or casual viewers. This helps you test different angles before you publish your video. You can even ask ChatGPT to rewrite your top 3 titles in different styles so you can compare them side by side. Once you have a few strong options, choose the one that best matches your content and audience. The best YouTube title is usually the one that is clear, specific, and interesting enough to earn the click while still accurately representing the video. And if you want even better results, combine this with a strong thumbnail and a clear video topic. Title generation is only one part of the process, but it's a very powerful one. So to quickly recap, open ChatGPT, enter your video topic, choose a title style, add a character limit, request multiple options, and refine the best ones until they feel right. That is the fastest way to generate YouTube titles with ChatGPT and save a lot of time in your content workflow. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.